Yay, we're here. Cabin 7630. We're on the starboard side. Welcome in. See horse starboard, that's how you know. And then your keys to the world card is thank you so much. And you actually need to put it in here. That's how you turn all the lights on behind you. Very different than Royal Caribbean. You put it in that little doohickey to turn the lights on. Yes. Did you get both keys? Yeah. Yep, not just one, and then it'll keep the light, it'll turn the lights on. Otherwise, and you take it when you leave, that way conserves energy. It's energy efficient. So welcome in, you guys. This is a deluxe family suite. Wow, so bougie. Rob's like, yeah, drop off the Celsius. Put the Celsius on the couch. So the nice thing about this family suite, this is actually a bed. This actually sleeps 2 people. That sleeps a whole like 1 or 2 people. And of course this sleeps 2 people.
A whole 1 or 2 people?
Well, you never know. You got these like remotes. We'll give you a full room tour in just a minute. And I love that there's a ton of outlets because we need all of our electronics up there. But we made it. Look, we're in Oceanview. We get a veranda. We're so bougie. We can have breakfast up in here, honey. Oh, my Lord. Look at that view, you guys. Oh, cute. You can see the terminal from here. Hey, car. I see the car. And that's where we're looking, waiting for our things. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You guys, we made it. We're finally here, baby. We made it. Happy birthday, Jen.
Happy birthday.
We made it. So we're going to have a good time and share our adventures with us. With you. Look at this veranda. Ooh, welcome to our crib, y'all. Here we are. This is a deluxe family suite. So we walk in. First thing you're going to do is put your keys to the world card right in this here little slot. That way it turns on all the power. Power saving. The best thing about Disney bathrooms is they're split. Because that way you can go to the toilet like Rob loves to do. I'm just kidding. Am I? Where are the lights at? Oh, they're here. Ooh, there. It's a split. That way you can 2 people can get ready. There's potties. All of that. You got that H2O delicious soap. We love it. And then there's a shower in the other part, so 2 people can get ready at multiple times, and you get a full-length mirror. Hey, y'all. And look at that DCL towel. More sea salt stuff. So fun. And look at the shower. Oh, it's kind of got a little baby tub. We're never going to see Rob, y'all. We're never going to see him. Look at this bathroom. Rain shower, handheld. It's got a little tub and a seat. Oh, the controls are right here. Oh, cute, you guys. Look at our delicious H2O toiletries. Room for all of your shower necessities and lids so that it don't fall out. We may never see Rob again. Rob? All right, they even give you, look, they even gave you a makeup remover wipe. Cute. H2O soap. Body lotion. Conserve water. All right. I think I left you guys in these delicious bathrooms here. There's a seat, rain shower handle. I like the little tub area, but you can sit. So, you know, and enjoy and bask. Here's a line for your wet clothes, I think. Oh no, it's like a thing for the tub. You get the nice DCL towels. So cute. Look, Mickey Mouse soap. We love the Mickey Mouse soap. Told Rob it's like hot. But we gotta go eat lunch because lunch is being served somewhere. But anyway, that's the bathroom and the shower separate. We got these big closets over here. Here's your life jackets, laundry bag, safe. Oh, you got to program the safe, Muffin Love? Because the first thing you do is put all your valuables like your passport, driver's license, credit card, all goes right in the safe because you're never going to need it again. All you need to pay for anything is your keys to the world card. So excited. More life jackets, and there's a ladder and everything. That's so cute.
I think so.
Tongue-tied. Another happy birthday. Whose birthday this is. Wow, what a great job they did. I told you they went all out with these doors. They got pins for trading right here. That is amazing. See, you gotta go all out with your door decorations around here. Next time, I promise. Here's another one. All the different magnets. Oh, announcements. We should have got one of those.
Well, a very good afternoon to you, Disney Fantasy Training.
This one's super nautical. Just magnets. All the doors are metal on a ship. So, both cruise ships that we've been to are metal, so you could definitely... First Disney cruise, oh my gosh, we should have got one of those. I can order one. Here's a Star Wars Millennium Falcon one. They got Jedi and Imperial. And look at this, Dumbo. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. And oh my goodness me. They are going ham on this one. Wow. And they even are doing pin trading. So also on Facebook, there are groups for your specific cruise. And you can go meet up with people if you would like and pin trade with them. And magnet. They're called fish extenders. I guess they're not officially allowed at Disney, but people are still doing it. They used to be allowed before the pandemic, but I think if you join the group and just kind of keep it like sweet and simple, then you should be able to do some trading. People go all out. Look, they even have a souvenir little sucker station. So sweet. A lot of these doors are super duper decorated. So neat. It's kind of a thing, you know. You can go simple or you can go none. I didn't have time to order anything from Etsy, but there's more of these wonderful, wonderful doors that people go all out and decorate with. A couple of our neighbors have some awesome ones too. Check out this awesome towel animal display. Wow, babies. You got a little one, and then you got an origami crane. Oh, swans. So cool.